Problem number 3 is about naming lines. So in our figure, we need to name 2 lines. Okay, so to name a line, you need any 2 points on a line. Okay, so any 2 points that are on a line. So let's say we're focusing on, let's just look at this line right here. I could name this line AB. Oops, sorry, let me change my pen. I can name this AB. Okay, and again, I'm using capital letters because they're points, but I need to put the line symbol above it. That indicates that it's a line. I could be talking about line BE. Okay, the order of those letters doesn't matter either. So AB and actually BA indicate the same line. BE and EB would indicate the same line. Now, something else that I didn't put in this test is you can put a script lowercase letter, usually like at the end of a line like this, and you can refer to that as line L. Okay, you can just refer to that as line L. Sometimes naming the points in a figure gets to be too overwhelming.